Hi, I'm Samantha Lewis with Cambridge Health Tech Institute, and I'm here with Patrick Terry, who's the Principal of Pricing, Reimbursement, and Market Access with Scientia Advisors. Thank you so much, Pat, for taking the time to talk to us today. My first question for you is, what are some of the key issues affecting commercialization?
Thanks, Samantha. Thanks for this interview. Key issues, I think, quite simply, are resources, both human and capital resources necessary to execute complex products. With next-gen technologies and the sophisticated challenges and the complexities associated with product development, having sufficient capital and the executive team and the technical team to execute commercialization is probably the most significant challenge. Inherent in the process of any commercial development is universal to everyone here in attendance at this meeting. Finding sufficient resources, sufficient investment to build effective teams, to effectively deliver products that meet market needs and help patients in the medical setting are the challenges that everyone's facing.
And do you see any more companies running into data management challenges now that things are sort of moving in that direction?
Yeah, I think the challenges of ultimately what to commit to. Technology, the issue of how to deal with the cloud computing and cloud storage and data exchange, the challenges associated with privacy protections associated with identifiable information, full genomic information, the multiple stakeholders that are involved with data analysis present challenges of just data exchange and data management. And certainly as we sequence and digitize this biological information, then we're talking about terabytes of data. So the issue of just large data files, data exchange, the computational challenges associated with this type of data is an emerging challenge for most, if not everybody, in the industry.
My final question for you is, what is your recommended path to commercialization? If there was a Patrick Terry path to commercialization, what would it be?
Well, I think fiscally responsible commercialization is the key, and the secret sauce is really to understand strategy implementation, executing to plan, because there's so many challenges and so many distractions, so much uncertainty in the marketplace, both regulatory, reimbursement, global access issues, that ultimately committing sufficient resources to a plan, a program, and an execution strategy to effectively deliver products as efficiently as possible, meeting the minimal thresholds of the stakeholders necessary to successfully deliver to care, get reimbursed, have a sustainable economic engine behind your company. That's the secret to success in this arena. There are multiple avenues to commercialization. There's multiple definitions of successful commercialization. Most companies certainly start out with an interesting technology and they have the conception of delivering it through the entire care cycle to patients, or the development cycle to patients, and that's usually an over-ambitious development strategy. It's usually you need to define incremental endpoints for trade sale or out-licensing, or commercial partnering is a much more effective definition of successful commercialization rather than delivering it to patients.
Well, you heard it straight from the horse's mouth. Again, this was Patrick Terry with Scientia Advisors, and I'm Samantha Lewis with Cambridge Health Tech Institute. Thank you.